आज हम लोग देखेंगे हाउ टू क्रिएट टेबल्स इन MS Access. In last video, we learn about how to create a database in MS Access and how to open the database and how to open the MS Access window. Okay. Now, this is the front page of MS Access window. So, go to create menu. Here is the option table design. Okay. Click on the table design. So there are two different columns. First is a field name and second is a data type. So first I want to create a table containing roll number, name, address and city. Okay. So first roll number. Roll number is in number form, so data type is all automatically in number. Second, name. Name data type is of text form. Okay. Here is the, if you use the reserved word, you may receive an error by referring to this field. Okay. So click on OK button. Third is the address. Address containing the name and numbers also. So make a data type as a text. And fourth one is a city. Also having data type text. Now everyone knows each table contains at least one primary key. If you forget to give the primary key, automatically it will be database add one more row name as an ID as a primary key. So better way, give primary key in your table. So how to give the primary key? Just right click here and here is the option primary key, or here is the option in design menu. There is an option primary key. Just click primary key. So automatically the roll number column is of primary key. Everyone knows there is one important feature of the primary key is there is no redundancy in primary key. So here our table is designed. So while pressing Ctrl S, save that table. I want to save that table with the name as a student. Okay, student. Then press OK key. So automatically the name will be changed. Okay. Now click on this student table. There is a data sheet view. Data sheet view provides to insert the records. Okay. So insert the 5 records. Roll number having 101, name Smith, address Adajan, city Surat. Okay. In next 102, name Meet, address Pal, tab address city Baroda. Next 103, roll number Preet, address Bhumi complex and city Vapi. I want to insert only 3 records. Here you can resize the column size. Okay. In this way. Now our table is created. In this way we have to create our table. Now if you want to design this table or change the table, just go to design view. Okay. If you want to insert one more row, then here is the option insert rows. If you want to delete some rows, so here is the option delete row. Okay. So in this way, we have to create the table, insert the records, delete the records in that table, and give the primary key to the column. Okay. Design view creates a design, that means contains the name of the column and data type of that respective column, and datasheet view contains the different types of records such as a roll 101 Smith, Adajan and Surat. And if I have deleted this roll number, so automatically the message will be here. Index or primary key cannot contain the null value. Everyone knows there is a important feature of a primary key is a primary key cannot be null, and not the redundancy in primary key not happen. Okay. So always give the unique number to the primary key 101. Okay. If you want to format this table, then you can select these fields using the control key. Okay, and just here in this way you have to format your table. If you want to resize your table, then you can resize. If you want to add colors to your table, colors to your names, or this, if you want to check the spelling, then the spelling option is available here. Okay. uh, there are four options how to represent your table, in horizontal way, in vertical way, in both horizontal and vertical way, and none of this, that means the original way. Okay. If you want to add one more row, so in design view there is an option insert row and delete row. Okay. If you want to sort your records, then sort from capital A to Z or small a to Z. I want to sort in this way. So automatically here first is a Vapi, second is a Surat, and third is a Baroda. Okay. I want to sort the name in capital A to Z form. So automatically it will be sorted. Okay. In this way you have to create a table, use formatting to your table. Okay.